Human Rights Watch said this past week that the U.S. government should not forcibly return detainees to places where they fear ill treatment without providing them a fair legal process to contest their repatriation. On January 6, the Obama administration transferred detainee Saeed Farhi bin Mohammed to his native Algeria despite his expressed fears of abuse in his homeland, the second forcible U.S. return to that country in 6 months. Andrea Prassow, senior counterterrorism counsel at Human Rights Watch, said, quote, "A detainee who claims he faces danger upon his return should first be able to present those claims before a neutral arbiter. The U.S. should not compound the unlawful detentions at Guantanamo by sending people back to places where they may be mistreated." Mohammed has been detained for more than 8 years in Guantanamo. A court ordered his release after he challenged his detention in federal court. Although he sought release from custody, he told his lawyers he did not want to return to Algeria under any circumstances because he feared persecution from the Algerian government and Islamist militants. The Obama administration has resettled most Guantanamo detainees who fear persecution at home in safe third countries. However, in July 2010, the U.S. transferred Algerian Aziz Abdul Naji to Algeria against his objections and without providing him an independent opportunity to contest his transfer. Mohammed's is the second forcible transfer to Algeria. A U.S. federal judge ruled in November 2009 that Mohammed was being unlawfully held at Guantanamo and ordered his release. He was subsequently granted an emergency stay on his repatriation, but the lower court ruling was overturned at the appellate level, and the U.S. Supreme Court refused to stay his transfer pending appeal. Although his appeal is still pending before the Supreme Court, he was nevertheless transferred before the government even filed its opposition papers. According to the Convention Against Torture, which the U.S. ratified in 1994, no one can be sent to a country where there are substantial grounds for believing that the person would be in danger of being subjected to torture or other ill treatment.